Hazrat Saeed bin Musayyab's father told him, when the time of Abu Talib's death got nearer, Allah's Apostle ﷺ went to him and found Abu Jahl bin Hisham and Abdullah bin Abu Umayyah bin Mughira by his side. Allah's Apostle ﷺ said to Abu Talib, O uncle, say La ilaha illallah. There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. I will testify you before Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Abu Jahl and Abdullah bin Abu Umayyah said, O Abu Talib, will you renounce Abdul Muttalib's religion? Allah's Apostle ﷺ kept on tendering it, La ilaha illallah, to him, whereas they kept on repeating their statement till Abu Talib said in the end and said to them, I am on Abdul Muttalib's religion and refuse to say La ilaha illallah. Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, but by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will keep on asking forgiveness for him until I am forbidden to do so. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse. It is not worthy for the Prophet and the believers to ask forgiveness for the associators, even though they be relatives, after it has been made clear to them that they are men of hell. Surah At-Tawbah, verse 113. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1360.